Hey there, fellow document creators. Ever been frustrated when your Google Docs just doesn't look right? Maybe the margins are off, the text is cramped, or the page size isn't what you need. Google Docs page setup can solve these problems by letting you adjust margins, choose your page size, switch orientations, and even add a background color. In this video, we will show you how to use those page setup options in Google Docs to make your document look perfect. So let's get started. Head to the File menu, click on Page Setup to see all your formatting options. So here you can control the white space around your text by adjusting the margins. You can make them wider for more spacious feel or narrower to fit more content on a page. So as I just increase the values here, and when I click OK, you can see the white space around the text has increased from all directions and the text has been squeezed. And when I decrease it, you can see the text becomes wider and the white space around it narrows down. Next, let us talk about the page size. Google Docs offers various standard page sizes like letter, legal, A4, tabloid, and more. You can always choose the size that suits your needs. Next, orientation. Click landscape. When you click OK, the pages will change their orientation to landscape. This is perfect if you want to include wide tables, charts, or images in your document. Next, you can also change the color. You can either turn it to light gray, to blue, or you can also choose a custom color. If you want to apply changes to specific section of your page, then you can select the content, click Page Setup, and then you have the option to change the orientation of that particular selected area and change the margins for that selected content. So for example, I have selected the following content. Now if I increase the size of margins and turn it into landscape, you can see the changes are applied to the selected content only. If you like to use the same settings in your next document, then you can set this as default using this option, and it will apply to all your future documents. There you have it. Page Setup helps you create professional, polished documents easily, format them with confidence, and make your documents look great. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add-on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.